How to remove or delete your Exodus wallet. If you want to delete your Exodus wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is launch the Exodus wallet app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. From the bottom right, simply tap on this square-like icon, which will take you to Exodus profile page. Over here you can see the option that says settings, so just tap on the settings icon. Once you go to settings, all you have to do is simply scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find a trash icon there that says delete wallet, so tap on the delete wallet button. Once you've done that, it will ask that this will remove your wallet and all transaction history, so tap the delete wallet button, tap on delete, and your Exodus wallet will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes for you to delete your Exodus wallet. I hope the video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.